Hello and welcome to Tingle My Taste Buds, and I'm here with a new video on how to make a smoothie. So, let's get to the steps. Take out a blender if you've got a blender. You will need a blender. So, start with fruit if making a fruit smoothie. So you get your fruit and cut it up into pieces. Add a liquid. So when it says add a liquid, you can add milk, yogurt, tea, fruit juice, ice cream, or water. But water won't give it much taste, but it's up to you. And then optional, you can add protein into it. So you can actually add meat or some greens. You can add greens into your smoothie. A sweetener like honey, nectar. Give it some more flavour, so you can add vanilla extract, cinnamon, salt, but I don't really like to add that, but it's up to you. Nutella is quite a good one to make it like quite chocolatey, because that's good with banana. And then this is one I'd recommend doing, ice cubes. Put ice cubes into your smoothie. That's something I recommend you should do. Mix it all together and then put the lid on the blender and turn it on. No higher than medium. Turn off the blender once the ice cubes done blending. Then set it for a minute. Pour your cool concoction into a large glass, and then loose berries, lemon, lime, sprig of mint, anything, you can just put it on. And that's how you make a smoothie. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.